Today's the 5th of November, just doing a progress report for number 44 Peace Hill Street in Rawmarsh, Rotherham. So, as you can see, first fit has been done. Got the electrics coming in at the moment, so they've all been dropped. Electrics there as well. All the internal doors have been taken out. Those are to be replaced with fire doors. Electric. They've all been trunked down there. It's your kitchen. Making very good progress on this. Moving upstairs. Wallpaper is still getting removed at the moment. First fix is coming on pretty well though. Great. Moving on to the next room. This is one of the damp issues that we had that Damien will be rectifying. He's well aware of that. And there's one downstairs as well, and one in that other room.